Hey there, car enthusiasts. Are you tired of struggling with manual jacks and spending hours on tire changes? Well, get ready to say goodbye to the hassle because we've got something incredible in store for you today. In this video, we're going to unveil the top 5 electric car jacks that will revolutionize the way you lift your vehicle with some pros and cons. From effortless lifting to convenient tire inflation, these jacks are packed with features that will make your car maintenance a breeze. I mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. The eHelp Electric Hydraulic Automatic Car Jack. This car jack is a must-have accessory for every car owner. It provides a convenient and effortless way to lift your vehicle, making it perfect for tire changes and maintenance. This car jack is equipped with a powerful electric motor and a hydraulic system, ensuring smooth and efficient lifting. With a lifting capacity of up to 3 tons, it can easily lift most cars, SUVs, and light trucks. This car jack also offers convenience and versatility. It comes with an integrated electric inflator, allowing you to conveniently inflate your tires on the go. The included LED flashlight ensures visibility during nighttime emergencies. What we like about it: the effortless and automatic lifting operation. High lifting capacity of 3 tons. Built-in safety device for secure lifting. Integrated electric inflator for tire inflation. LED flashlight for visibility in emergencies. What we don't like about it: not as heavy-duty as some other models. Can be a bit slow to inflate tires. Number 2. eHelp Electric Hydraulic Car Jack with Tire Change Kit. This electric hydraulic car jack with tire change kit is a comprehensive solution for all your car lifting and tire change needs. It combines the convenience of an electric car jack with essential tools for a seamless tire change experience. The tire change kit includes a fully adjustable wrench and 2 extension sockets, allowing you to easily remove and replace tires. The included electric impact wrench provides high torque power for efficient tire removal and installation. With a lifting capacity of 3 tons, this car jack can easily lift most cars, SUVs, and light trucks. The electric hydraulic system ensures effortless and quick lifting with just the push of a button. What we like about it: a comprehensive tire change kit included. Electric hydraulic system for quick and effortless lifting. Built-in safety device for stability and reliability. Integrated electric inflator for tire inflation. LED flashlight for enhanced visibility. What we don't like about it: expensive, large and bulky, not as portable as some other models. Number 3. Vitro Electric Hydraulic Car Jack with Tire Inflator. The Vitro Electric Hydraulic Car Jack with Tire Inflator is a versatile and reliable tool that simplifies car lifting and tire maintenance tasks. It combines the power of an electric car jack with a convenient tire inflator for added functionality. With a lifting capacity of 3 tons, this car jack can easily lift most vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks. The electric hydraulic system ensures efficient and smooth lifting with minimal effort. This car jack is designed with convenience in mind. The compact and portable design makes it easy to store and transport, while the included LED flashlight provides visibility during nighttime emergencies or roadside repairs. What we like about it: electric hydraulic system for effortless lifting. Integrated tire inflator for convenient tire inflation. Built-in safety device for secure lifting. Compact and portable design. LED flashlight for improved visibility. What we don't like about it: not as heavy-duty as some other models, can be a bit slow to inflate tires. Number 4. Rogtz Electric Hydraulic Automatic Car Jack. This automatic car jack is a reliable and efficient tool that simplifies the process of lifting your vehicle. Whether you're changing a tire or performing maintenance, this car jack will save you time and effort. The automatic operation of this car jack makes it incredibly user-friendly. Simply connect it to your car's power source, press the button, and watch as it effortlessly lifts your vehicle. The jack automatically stops when it reaches the desired height. This car jack also offers convenience and versatility. It comes with an integrated electric impact wrench, allowing you to easily remove and install tires. The included LED flashlight provides visibility in low light conditions. What we like about it: efficient and automatic lifting operation. High lifting capacity of 3 tons. Safety device for stable lifting. Integrated electric impact wrench for tire removal installation. LED flashlight for improved visibility. What we don't like about it: expensive, large and bulky, not as portable as some other models. Number 5. Viva Electric Scissor Jack with Portable Power Supply. The Viva electric scissor jack with portable power supply is a compact and efficient solution for lifting your vehicle. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or changing a tire, this electric scissor jack will make the process a breeze. Safety is a top priority with the Viva electric scissor jack. It is equipped with a safety device that prevents overloading, ensuring stable lifting. The scissor jack also has a sturdy construction and a wide base for enhanced stability during operation. What we like about it: compact and portable design, electric motor for smooth and precise lifting, portable power supply for use anywhere, safety device for stable lifting, remote control for convenient operation. What we don't like about it: not as powerful as some other models, can be a bit slow to lift. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?